In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Asphalt 8 Airborne in Windows. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and here we'll be having the search. Just search for Asphalt, and we'll be having Asphalt 8 Airborne. Click here and just select get, and it has more than 300,000 ratings. That's crazy. Just be patient for a while it downloads and installs. So it is about 4 GB in size, so just be patient for a while. So once it is downloaded and installed, you will be having the play option. If you just go to search and type Asphalt, you will be having the Asphalt 8 Airborne. You can simply pin it to taskbar or create a desktop shortcut. So just click on play now, and that's it. You'll be taken into the game and you can start playing. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.